Imagine waking up to find the global economy shifting beneath our feet. Your phone, your defense systems, even your everyday purchases affected by a brewing conflict between two superpowers. Today, we're diving into the escalating tension between the United States and China, where high-stakes decisions could reshape the world economy and touch every single one of us. Stay tuned and make sure to like and subscribe to Brave Voice for powerful insights that truly matter. China has made a bold move by banning the export of key materials to the U.S., retaliating against Washington's sanctions on its chip industry. These materials are critical for producing the technology we use daily, and over half of our supply comes from China. While America does have untapped reserves, the infrastructure to exploit them is still years away. This dependence highlights a harsh reality. Our economies are far more interconnected than we often admit. The idea of separating from this global supply chain sounds appealing to many. Former President Donald Trump championed policies to prioritize American industries, claiming it would bring jobs back home and strengthen domestic manufacturing. But the reality isn't as simple as waving a flag and declaring victory. If the U.S. imposes tariffs or shifts production entirely, we may see higher prices long before any benefits like job creation materialize. Think about this. What happens when the costs of everyday goods skyrocket? Items made overseas, products we rely on, could suddenly become unaffordable. Yes, creating American jobs sounds ideal, but building the manufacturing capacity to replace imports will take time, and those costs might hit your wallet sooner than the benefits appear. China, on the other hand, isn't just sitting idle. Their countermeasures aim to maintain their grip on the global market, even as they face economic pressure. They know that the U.S. needs their products just as much as they need American consumers. This complex interdependence isn't just a chess match between governments. It's a tug-of-war that could leave everyday people caught in the middle. And let's not forget the bigger picture. Trade wars and supply chain battles don't just impact economies. They shake the foundations of diplomacy and international relationships. What happens if these tensions escalate? Could they lead to broader conflicts or irreversible divides? These are the questions we need to ask ourselves as global citizens. What sacrifices are we willing to make for economic independence? Are the promises of political leaders always as beneficial as they seem, or are they just a way to gain leverage in negotiations without considering the ripple effects? At the end of the day, we must stay informed, stay engaged, and hold our leaders accountable. This issue affects every single one of us, our jobs, our savings, and our future. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and understand the deeper stories shaping our world, hit that like button and subscribe to Brave Voice. Together, we'll navigate these complex issues and uncover solutions that work for everyone. Let your voice be heard, and let's create a future built on understanding and collaboration.